Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove a react on a message on Snapchat, step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Step 1. First, open Snapchat on your Android device. You can do this by tapping the app icon on your home screen or from your app drawer. Step 2. Once you're inside Snapchat, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the chat icon. This will take you to your chats. Step 3. Navigate to the chat where you previously reacted to a message. Scroll through your chats if needed to find it. Step 4. In the chat, locate the specific message that has your reaction. Once you've found it, long press on that message. This will open a menu with your current reaction displayed. Step 5. Now, simply tap on the reaction that's already selected. This action will remove your reaction from the message. And that's it. You've successfully removed the react from the message. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.